Keep walking to your left till you reach the first eastern entrance. Pay attention to the intricate carvings on top of the first eastern entrance. Pay attention to the beautiful filigree work around the dancing Shiva statue. The statue itself is carved very beautifully. Observe the minute carvings of the ornaments and the attire that the Lord Vishnu is wearing. You can also see the two mythical characters are flanking Lord Vishnu. Just opposite to this entrance, you will observe a shrine for the sacred bull Nandi. Let us go inside the northern side, Nandi Mantapa. Go around the statue to appreciate the beautiful carvings. As you can see, the Nandi is nicely and delicately decorated all over the body and the head. This Nandi statue is 8 feet tall. As you come out of the first Nandi shrine, you keep walking towards your left. The 11 layer of carvings just continue throughout. About 10 to 15 meters to your left, you will observe large statues of god, goddesses and other statues of male and female figures in the form of helpers, assistants of gods in standing posture. The gods and goddesses sculptures have two smaller figures of assistants at the bottom right and left. Apart from this, there are a set of carvings of beautiful ladies in various standing postures. If you observe carefully, you will realize that these are not the original sculptures, and also the workmanship of these sculptures is not as intricate as other sculptures of Hoysala period within Halebeed temple complex and other places. As you come to the end of this set of sculptures, you will also observe a figurine attached to a pillar at the center. If you observe carefully, you will see that each of the pillars has a fixture that is used to attach the figurine, but most of the slots are missing them. Throughout the temple, you will find only around 3 to 4 figurines. As you continue to walk towards your left, you will come across the southern side of the second eastern entrance. You can observe another Nandi shrine in front of Hoysaleshwara, or the southern shrine. The one in front of the southern shrine is bigger than the one in front of the northern shrine. The Nandi statue in this mantapa is 9 feet tall. Both of these Nandis are among the top 10 tall Nandis across India. You can take a tour of the southern side Nandi also. Take your time to have a look at the Nandi Mantapa to admire the sheer size of Nandi statue and the decorations in stone. As you come down the second Nandi shrine, pay attention to the southern side eastern entrance. Especially to the top portion of the entrance. The design is same as that of the northern side eastern entrance. You can also see the figurines on each side of the entrance attached to the pillar section. You can quickly pace through the remaining portion of the eastern facing structure and reach the southern entrance. On the way, if you are interested, you can look at the layer which has the stories of Mahabharata, Ramayana and Bhagavata carved. We have covered the first half of the temple exterior, and in the next section we will be exploring the portions of the temple from the south to the north entrance.